Hi, my name is Greg Pardee. Today I will be demonstrating an Adobe Flash technique called shape tweening. My demonstration will include how to turn a circle into a square with shape tweening. Tweening means that Adobe Flash will take care of all the work in between the beginning and the end of an animation. All I have to do is set up the beginning and the end of the animation and then apply tweening to the timeline. In this case, the tweening will be shape tweening. Okay, so let's get started. We'll create a new project in Flash, and on the stage I'd like to draw a circle, which I'll do by selecting the oval shape tool. If I hold down the shift key and drag, I'll create a perfect circle. I'd like to position this circle in the bottom left corner. I know the X parameter will be 0 to get it to the left side of the stage. The Y parameter, however, I will do better by just dragging the circle. If I double click the circle, I'll select both the fill and the stroke and be able to move the whole thing at once. I think I'd like to zoom in so that I can make sure that I'm flush with the bottom of the stage. And I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to zoom back out. And then we want to reposition the stage. It's gotten a little out of whack with the zooming. And I'm going to select frame 100, which is where my new shape is going to be. So I select frame 100. Then I right-click frame 100 and select Insert Keyframe. This, in essence, copies the keyframe from frame 1 to frame 100. However, I don't want the circle in frame 100. I'm going to put a new shape. So I'm going to double-click it again, and then I'm going to press the Delete key. And my new shape is going to be a square, which I'll create by selecting the rectangle shape tool, and I'm going to draw that square in the upper right corner. I want to give as much distance as possible to watch my tween happen. Another thing you might want to try, I don't know if it exists, but I'm going to try a little color tweening. I'm going to change the color of this resultant shape to red. And you can watch that Flash will also tween the color. So now all we have to do is click in a frame between 1 and 100, then right-click it and select Create Shape Tween. Then to test, we'll scrub the playhead to frame 1, hit the Enter key, and there's our tween. So there you have it. Today I demonstrated the Adobe Flash technique called shape tweening. In the demonstration, I showed you how to turn a circle into a square with shape tweening. Next, there'll be a quiz on the material you just viewed. Do you remember what tweening means?